Hey friends, I thought I would mix up these developer videos with some insights I've gained as a tech lead in various companies in various positions. So I want to talk today about mentoring. Mentoring is something that I've seen a lot of companies do quite weakly because it's not a core integrated part of the strategy. The most efficient strategy, I think, is to basically have a very strong tech lead who's mentoring below him three or four other developers, and then you enforce this idea that they have to also mentor others. So in that sense, you can propagate good knowledge into your tech team from the top down. That means you don't have to hire a whole bunch of seniors to do all the jobs properly. You can basically delegate from a top down approach, just in time learning. So, say for example, if we have to introduce something new into the company and nobody's done it before, well, quite often I will pick the hardest parts. I will do them, test them, and then have them, battle tested. And then I'll basically teach the next guy below me to go and do the same thing, but guidance steer him along the path. Then further along, he also goes and teaches other developers as well. There's basically no risk in mentoring. Some people might say, oh, if I mentor somebody, they might take my job. But no, actually, if you mentor others to do what you're doing, you can actually increase your bandwidth and you can take on higher responsibilities because mentoring is just such a rare skill. It's hard to do it well. It's hard to know how much to push somebody before they'll break. And it's hard to teach in a way that you can help people to learn quickly, because if you're just throwing facts and information at them and they don't learning, then you're not mentoring, you're just basically making them look stupid, which is not great. So let me know in the comments below how you have approached mentoring your company, how it's been successful, and if you do it. Thanks very much for this. Please like and subscribe. If you want more of this, hit the like button.